In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm at Lowe's. If you want to buy what you need now and pay over time, Affirm can be a simple way to do it at Lowe's, both in store and online. Let's walk through exactly how it works so you feel confident at checkout. Start by opening the Affirm app. Before you shop, you can explore payment plan options for the amount you expect to spend, or you can wait and choose a plan during checkout. Take a moment to review the details shown in the app, things like your payment schedule, the total cost, and whether interest applies, so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Make sure the amount you're approved for covers your full purchase, including taxes and any add-ons. When you're ready to pay at Lowe's, you have a few ways to use Affirm. If you have the Affirm debit card, you can pay in-store with the physical card or a virtual version in the app. You can also add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for a quick contactless checkout. Just hold your phone to the reader or insert your physical card like you normally would. The register treats it like a standard card, so there's nothing special you need to say at the counter. Another option is to create a one-time virtual card in the Affirm app. This generates a temporary card number, expiration date, and security code that you enter at checkout, just like any other card. It's great for online orders or if you prefer not to use a wallet app. Keep in mind that one-time virtual cards usually have an expiration window and are intended for a single purchase amount, so create it close to when you plan to pay and keep the details secure until you're done. If you'd rather pay up front, you can do that too. Complete your purchase in full using your normal payment method, and then within 24 hours, open the Affirm app to see if you're eligible to convert that purchase into a payment plan. If eligible, select the transaction and follow the prompts to split it into installments. Terms vary by purchase and approval, so review the plan details carefully before you confirm. And that's it. With these options, you can use Affirm at Lowe's in the way that fits your shopping style. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your Lowe's receipts, turn on notifications in the Affirm app so you never miss a due date, and double check your available amount before heading to the register. Happy shopping and enjoy the flexibility of paying over time with Affirm at Lowe's.